Hi, this is George. In this video, I am going to explain on how I lost 1 lakh rupee in a week. 2 weeks back, I have explained a video where I have made 1 lakh rupee in a matter of 3 months. But in this video, I have lost 1 lakh in a matter of 7 days, actually 5 trading sessions only. So I'll just explain what was the mistake that I did so that you can see this and you might try to avoid this and you can escape from the loss. Actually, it's a very basic mistake that I did. I just sold a naked put, which generally nobody should do. But I was little confident. I had a conviction that market will not fall so much down. So I took this trade and I lost my money. And actually making a video on how I lost 1 lakh is something might not be so much interesting, because I hope most of the retailers would have already lost more than that in a span of many days. So still I'm making this so that you can see how the strategies that it was this is kind of weekly strategy. So initially it was not in a very big loss, but only on that expiry day when I did some small minor mistakes, when market was kind of going in the opposite directions. Then when market suddenly reverses, this happened. So you can just see even if in a span of 1 or 2 hours, if your view totally gets wrong, your capital can be wiped out. So that is the reason I put in this video, so that you can see and you can be a little more cautious when trading. That is the only intention behind this. And disclaimer, this is only for educational purpose. You can see this and try not to make the mistake and you can make profit. And in this I usually generally take so many strategies for a week. In this I'm going to explain only 2 strategies with which I can explain what I'm trying to say. So the 2 strategies are pair trading using spread and pair trading using fly. So pair trading using spread is nothing. Pair trading is nothing but I'll be investing both the index, that is Nifty and Bank Nifty. In spread, actually pair trading in spread is I'll be a bullish in one side and bearish in other side. Here I'll be a bullish in Nifty side and bearish in Bank Nifty side. And pair trading in fly is nothing but I'll be a range bound in one and I'll be feel trending in the other one. So Nifty I'll be range bound and Bank Nifty I'll be kind of trending. So where I made losses the weekly expiry that was expiring on the week of the day of 4th of August. So let me take you to the option before getting to the video. Just if you're viewing it for the first time, I'm giving both the videos pair trading of spread and pair trading in fly in the description box. Also, please do subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed before, and please do join the Telegram channel, and please like the video if you genuinely like it. Let's go to the Opstra and see what I really did. So you can see I have put this setup 28th of July and 4th August is the expiry. So 20th July ATM you can see 16,800. As I told in spread of Nifty side I'll be bullish. So 16,800 I'm going to buy one lot, and 17,000 call I'm going to sell one lot. And in the Bank Nifty side, you can see the ATM is 37,200. So as I'm bearish here, I'll be buying 37,200 one lot, and I'll be selling 36,600 one lot. The strike difference of 200 points in Nifty and 600 points in Nifty and all is explained in the description box of the 2 videos that I have posted. You can see why I am using 200 and 600 difference and other details more elaborately in those videos. So this is the pair trading using spread. The other strategy that I told is pair trading using fly. So in Nifty side we will be again short in that. One more thing is we'll be again in the other video I would have explained 9:30 only I'll be taking the other strategy also. But in real case at times I wait for some moment in either side, so that I can change the different strike instead of the same 16,800. Similarly, if you see here after 100 after 1 hour the market has moved around 50 points. So I'll be now taking the short position of range bound view in Nifty at 16,850. So 16,850 I'll be selling both side, call and put, and for hedging I'll be buying 500 points away, call and put. So it will be 16,350 I'll be buying and 17,350 I will be buying. Similarly, in Bank Nifty, here I'll be taking a trending view. So in that case, again, it is at 10:30. The same time when I'm taking the Nifty trade, you can see like market would have went 100 points up. So from here, I'm going to take that trending view thing. So 37,300 ATM, I'm going to buy both the sides one lot each, and 1,200 points difference I'll be selling as a hedge. So it is 3,600 this side and 38,500 this side. So this is the general setup I have done on that week. You can see the payoff chart of Bank Nifty will be like this and Nifty will be like this. Now we'll see what is happening on maybe 3rd of July. Till then I'm not going to do any different because there will be market going to and fro. I don't want to get into trouble. You can see like next day market has given 1,000 rupees profit in Nifty, and it has given loss of 1,600 in Bank Nifty, and the very next day 1st August it has given 4,000 loss in Bank Nifty and 750 loss here. 2nd of August 200 points loss here in Nifty and 5,000 in Bank Nifty, and 3rd of August around 5,700 loss in Bank Nifty and 565. Okay, now let's go to 3 o'clock, like almost the day closing on that trading day, like the day before expiry, Wednesday. You can see like Bank Nifty is giving a loss of 3,300 and Bank Nifty is at 3 o'clock. We'll see what is the payoff showing. It's a loss of again almost 4,700 rupees. Both the side it were loss. 4,700 plus 3,300 is like almost 8,000 loss. I thought like let me reduce the loss, and like I can see like market anyway this side I was thinking like even if market goes in the upside, like okay, I'll be making money, but if market goes downside, this will be there to protect me. Also if not also, then let me take some decision in the next day, because I thought like maybe market is going to go up is what my view on that day. Because like you can see like market was trending from, you can see 16,800 to 17,335, and all the indicators were saying like market might go up, and here it's like a 600 points move. So I thought like okay, let me take little of a biased on bullish side. So I thought like let me like sell put alone in the naked side of Nifty side, and that too I was like very cautious till 17,690, 17,700 I protected only. So I thought like let me take somewhere around 1,700, which was like trading only very less amount. Like okay, 17,150 I think. 150 was the strike I took that day, which is almost 200 points away. So 17,150 I just sold 2 lots. I didn't sell more also. I just sold 2 lots, and Bank Nifty said I didn't touch anything. Now the next day morning, if you see, market again actually has rallied up to 460, because of which my 16 rupees premium has gone to 2 rupees and I made 1,300 rupees profit. So at that point of time I closed this at whatever price I was getting, and I was planning to sell 4 lots of little more lesser bigger strike, so that I'll get at least some premium, maybe around 10 rupees. Let me capture is also fine is what I thought. So this 7.9, which is like 17,300 strike only I took. Only 4 lots I took. 8 rupees was the premium I'm selling. Market has to go down 160 points below, then only I'm going to make loss. But market is already trending. I thought like okay, let me not I'll not make a loss. Also I was like as it is 8 rupees, if I put 20 rupees, 25 rupees stop loss, it might hit. So in my mind I had a stop loss of maybe somewhere around 40-50 rupees. I thought like okay, let us not put it in the system, we'll have it in my mind, so that if market comes to that position, let me sell is what my idea behind this trade. And in Bank Nifty case, if you see, I was like market was going in the upside, so we were like once it goes a little more up, I'll be in profit. Actually in this side I was taking some trades in call side, because if market falls down, I'm going to make a loss. I was on this side, as I have already sold some naked puts. I had sold little premium calls I have sold. I'm not going to explain everything in detail in this video because that has not given me much money. So it's not so much to concentrate on, but I'll just say you, it was like market is 3800. So I sold somewhere around 20 rupees premium where I got like 38,500 I was selling. Then once again market was like going down, I was like keep on like maybe moving little up, 38,400, 38,200 kind of. But once this was there, then around like Nifty only we'll see, because Nifty was the one that gave me so much pain. Like if you see till almost 11 o'clock, market didn't move anywhere, and I was like pretty confident nothing is going to happen. But suddenly when the move came around 11:30, the premium shot up and it was like almost 45 rupees. I was like, okay, let me just close it in another 5-10 minutes if market doesn't reserve, because we are already 11,300 years old and market is almost 11,290. The next 10-15 minutes you can see like market went so much down to 17,233 and my premium has went to 114. I didn't close exactly, somewhere around 114, maybe around 60-65 I closed. But you can see like loss was already made 21,000 per one lot. And in the similar case of bank nifty, you see I would have collected some premium around 11 till 11:30 the call side, and around 11:30 also if you see market went down, as we know like nifty has went down, so bank nifty also went down. So here also I made a loss, so 12,400. I made a profit maybe around 3-4,000, so maybe overall loss was around 8,000 here, and it was around maybe like 15-16,000 because I didn't wait till 114, maybe around 70 or 65, I'm not very sure, but around that time I closed. But the loss was somewhere around 15,000 or 16, 15 to 16,000 per lot. Actually what I did is like, I'm showing you an example of only one lot, but I did was like 4 lots, so everything you have to multiply it by 4, so the total loss was so much more. So at this point of time I was closing. So the thing is like I closed everything at this point of time. I don't want to carry forward anything. Then what happened is like market actually reversed. And also at this point, let me explain one more thing. You can see like the spread that we bought, like 16,873. This was in profit, because you can see like if market goes above 17,000, we will be in profit. Similarly, this spread will be in loss because market has not went below 37,200. But if you come into the iron fly case, is like something you need to know, because it was like loss on both the sides. 16,350 I have sold in this case. Sorry, 16,850 is the one that I sold. So you can see like 16,850 that I sold. I have collected a premium of around 300. But if market has like somewhere around till 150, I would have made profit. But as it has moved above 150, even it went to 350, 450 and all, I have made a loss already here. And these two also like a kind of expired worthless, 16,350 and 17,350. So I made loss here as well because it has not breached any of these levels. So all these were in loss. And in bank nifty side also, if you see 37,300 I have bought, and I have collected a premium of around 800 rupees, and now it has like only 150 or 200 maybe because of the time. And so these also has went in loss, and this I have collected some money, but this is also a very big loss here, and this is also a very big loss here. So the entire setup of these two strategies has failed tremendously. And once I closed all these things, after that if you see, market actually rallied from 17 to 33 or whatever you see. That day low was 17,150, and it finally came around. It was like closing about 17,350 actually. So if we had not done anything from that 21,000 loss or whatever you see, it has went to 3,000 rupees profit, like loss, which means like from 21,000 it has recovered 18,000 loss. So if we had hold, it would have been like maybe not have made big loss, but we'll never know. Like when you see a MTM swinging that much, and if you're already in loss, we'll tend to close. And also in this, if you see, when market falls suddenly, the VIX would have rise so much. So because of that, our premium has shot up so much that we were not able to do any adjustment. Even if you had done some adjustment, you could have mitigate little loss, but you would not have done much. So the mistake that I have done is like maybe I should not have went naked on the put side, because always naked put side is always going to create a trouble. This is not something new that I need to tell to retailers, or this is not something new to tell to myself, but still I did the error. So I should correct myself, and I should also maybe tell others not to do the same. But it at times happens, because when we have so much conviction and fear, like, okay, even if market falls down 200 points also, I'm not going to go on loss. Exactly that day the market will go more than like 300 350 points down, and you'll make a bigger loss. So let's be like a little more have a trading discipline, and let's make our mindset on that, so that we can focus on the profit side. So this was the actual thing happened on 4th of August, which made me lose like almost around 1 lakh. So hope this would have been like an education for you, so that you might not repeat the mistake, and you can make money, but without using naked put options. We'll see in the next week with some other video. Thank you.